Welcome. Let's walk through how to set up your Piexo Maxi spray dispenser. Before we begin, here's a quick overview of the dispenser's controls. The mode button lets you cycle through the different settings. The week button is used to select operating days and set the current day of the week when setting up the dispenser. Use the hour and minute buttons to set the internal clock and programmed times. Finally, the on-off button activates or deactivates your programmed schedule. Step 1. Open the dispenser. Start by opening the dispenser using the provided key. Step 2. Install the batteries. Unplug the cable and remove the battery pack. Install 4 C batteries, then slide the battery pack back into place and reconnect the cable. Step 3. Set the current time and day. Now we'll set the internal clock and the current day of the week. Press mode until you reach clock mode. Use the hour button to select the correct hour in 24-hour format. Then use the minute button to set the minutes. Next, press the week button to select the current day of the week. Each number represents a day. 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, and so on. Setting the correct day is important to ensure your program schedule runs properly. Step 4. Set the start and stop times. Now we'll program when the dispenser should operate. Press mode until you reach the start setting, then use the hour and minute buttons to set the desired start time. Press mode again to switch to the stop setting, then set the time you want the dispenser to stop operating. Step 5. Set the spray interval. Press mode until you reach interval mode. Use the minute button to select how often you want the dispenser to spray, from 1 to 59 minutes. Step 6. Set the weekly schedule. Press mode until you reach week mode. Use the week button to select your preferred operating schedule, Monday through Friday, Monday through Saturday, or Monday through Sunday. Step 7. Install the scent bottle. We recommend installing the scent bottle after the dispenser has been mounted in its final location. Step 8. Activate the schedule. Review your settings by cycling through them with the mode button. Once everything is correct, press the on-off button. You'll see a green light, followed by a red light blinking 3 times. This confirms that the programmed schedule is active. Your first spray will be released within a few seconds. Your Piexo Maxi is now fully set up and ready to use.